Today we're going to learn about finding a linear equation from a table. Let's say we have a problem like, write the linear equation y equals a plus bx that represents the table. This is the table. Now, as we can see, we have to write a linear equation in the form of y equals a plus bx that represents the table. So, y equals a plus bx. And as we know, y equals a plus bx is intercept form. So let's write that down. Intercept form. Now, in the intercept form, we have the y value, the y-intercept value, which is a, the slope value, which is b, and the x value. Now, we have to find out the linear equation, which is the intercept form. Now, an intercept form contains the recursive routine. Now, the recursive routine contains two things. The zero term and the rule. The zero term is another word for the y-intercept, where the x value is 0, and the y value could be any value, but the x value has to be 0. So when the line crosses the x value, and when the line meets the x-axis, the y value, according to that x value, is the y-intercept, or the zero term. The rule is also known as the slope. The slope is how steep or gradient the graph is, or the line is. So it could go at a speed of 4.6 or a half. So it can vary. Now, let's find the recursive routine of this table. Now, the zero term is when the x is 0. Over here, the x is 0. And according to that, the y value is 0. If the y value is 8. So the zero term is 8. Now, the rule. Now, let's find the rule. So when the x increases by 4, the y value increases by 24. So when the x increases by 8, because 12 minus 4 is 8, the y value increases by 48. Now, we can see a general pattern over here. So, in order to find the rule, we have to divide the y and the x values. So, let's just do this value and this value. So, 48 divided by 8, because 48 is the y value that is substituted when you subtract, and 8 is the x value. So, 48 divided by 8 is 6. So, our rule is 6. Now, here in the y-intercept, we have the same thing. Here in the intercept form, we have the same thing. The y-intercept and the slope, also known as the zero term and the rule. So we can substitute these numbers for a and b. So let's do that. Y equals, the a value is the zero term, and the zero term is 8. So 8 plus, the rule, the slope is b, and the slope is also known as the rule, and the rule is 6 plus 6x. So this is our y-intercept. So let's write that down. Y equals 8 plus 6x. Today we learned about finding a linear equation from a table. Thank you for watching this video.